Okay, so let's move on to question number 8. So question number 8 is saying the diagram shows a variegated leaf, part recovered as shown. The leaf was exposed to light for 4 hours and then tested for starch. The diagram shows a variegated leaf, part recovered as shown. The leaf was exposed to light for 4 hours and then tested for starch. Okay, so then the question is saying which regions will turn blue-black. So when they say which regions will turn blue-black, they are simply asking us to identify the regions which are going to contain starch. Because for those regions to turn blue-black, which is a positive result for presence of starch. So which parts are going to contain starch? And for those parts to contain starch, they should undergo photosynthesis. Okay, because we know that when photosynthesis takes place, sugar is produced, or glucose or starch is what produced. So those regions which are going to undergo photosynthesis are the regions which are going to turn blue-black after testing this for starch. So let's start with 1. 1 is the part of a leaf which has white. So for this part to have white, it simply means this part is lacking chlorophyll. So part 1 is lacking chlorophyll, no wonder it's white. So since part 1 doesn't have chlorophyll, it won't undergo photosynthesis. And when we test part 1 for starch, it won't turn blue-black because of lack of chlorophyll needed for photosynthesis. Okay. Then let's look at part 2. Part 2, it is showing the part of a leaf which is green. So the part of a leaf which is green, it simply shows that this part contained chlorophyll, because you know chlorophyll is the green pigment found in the chloroplast of a leaf. So in this case, 2 contains chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is one of the conditions needed for photosynthesis to take place. So part 2 is going to turn blue-black because it has the chlorophyll needed for photosynthesis to produce starch. Okay, so 2, take note, 2 is going to turn blue-black. Then let's look at 3. 3, it has a black paper. So 3, it is representing the part of a leaf which has been covered with a black paper. So the essence of covering this part of a leaf with a black paper, it is to prevent sunlight from penetrating, because we know sunlight is one of the conditions which is needed to undergo photosynthesis to produce what? Starch. So the essence of covering this part of a leaf with a black paper is to simply prevent light from penetrating. So meaning if light won't penetrate through this leaf, this part won't turn blue-black, meaning starch won't be produced, because photosynthesis won't take place. So part 3, there will be no starch, no blue-black, so it won't turn blue-black because it is lacking sunlight. Then part 4, it is representing a hole inside a black paper. So this hole, it is allowing light to pass through. So light is going to penetrate, it's going to pass through that hole at point 4. Okay, so light plus chlorophyll, sunlight, and carbon dioxide, if these are present, meaning a plant is going to undergo photosynthesis and automatically starch is going to be produced. So when you test these parts for starch, you're going to have a positive result, which is blue-black. So in this case, the parts which are the regions which are going to turn blue-black are 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So the correct answer for this particular question is C, 2 and